What if your earbuds didn't block your ears, but still gave you great sound, all-day comfort, and kept you aware of everything around you? These are the new Suunto Spark earbuds, priced at around $249, and they're designed completely differently from traditional earbuds. Instead of focusing only on sound, these are built for movement, workouts, and real-world use. And that's what makes them interesting. The first thing you'll notice is the design, and honestly, this is where everything changes. These are open-ear earbuds, which means they don't sit inside your ears. Instead, they wrap around your ear with a secure and comfortable fit, so you can wear them for long sessions without that pressure or fatigue you usually get. Each earbud is extremely lightweight, under 10 grams, so you almost forget you're wearing them. The build quality also feels premium. You're getting a combination of silicone and titanium alloy, which makes them flexible but still strong enough for daily use. They're also rated IP55 for water and sweat resistance, so whether you're running, training, or just using them outdoors, they can handle it easily. Overall, the design feels very focused on comfort, stability, and durability. Battery life is another strong area here. You get up to 36 hours of total usage with the charging case, which is more than enough for daily use, or even multiple workout sessions without worrying about charging. And when you do need to charge, it's pretty quick. The earbuds take about an hour, and the case takes slightly longer, so downtime is minimal. Now coming to features, this is where these earbuds stand out from typical options. Because of the open ear design, you stay aware of your surroundings all the time. That's a big advantage if you're running outside, cycling, or walking in busy areas. At the same time, you still get clear and balanced audio, supported by high-resolution audio with LHDC, so the sound quality is actually quite good for this type of design. Connectivity is also modern and reliable. You get Bluetooth 5.4, stable connection over distance, and support for multiple audio codecs including SBC, AAC, and LHDC. There's also dual device connection, so you can switch between devices easily without reconnecting every time. Another interesting feature is head movement control, which allows you to control certain functions without even touching the earbuds. And the microphone setup is tuned for clear voice pickup, so calls are also handled well. What really makes these earbuds different is the overall experience. They're not trying to compete with traditional in-ear earbuds that focus on bass and isolation. Instead, they focus on comfort, safety, and usability, especially for people who are active and don't want to feel disconnected from their surroundings. The combination of lightweight design, durable build, long battery life, and smart features makes them feel more like a fitness-focused lifestyle product rather than just regular earbuds. So, should you buy the Suunto Spark? If you want something comfortable, lightweight, and safe for outdoor use while still getting good audio and modern features, then yes, these are a great option. But if you prefer deep bass, noise isolation, and a more immersive audio experience, then traditional earbuds might still be a better fit. That's it for this one. More tech reviews coming soon. See you in the next